the back. So I'm gonna see if I can hook it and pull it back. Or is it too heavy? Okay, I had to pause for a second and I think I've got it. It's still jammed. There she goes. Lovely. Okay, so we've got this box of screws here, thankfully, because we've put a screw in here which needs to be just the perfect length to hit into the pin of the relocker and hold it, but also not too long that the bolt work can't pass over the head of the screw because we need to move the bolt work back to gain access to this hole down here. So this one up here gets covered at that time. They'll hold both the relockers back that are connected here to all this glass work in the side and in front of the lock here. So we can take all of that off, just so that we can turn this back far enough to click the keypad on the front, and that's it. Just to change the keypad, we've got to strip all this out of the back of here. Nightmare. Okay, so with that removed, we've now got a slack wire which hasn't triggered the relockers, and now it's just a case of when we take these off, are we going to drop the glass or not? Let's hope not. Now that the tension has been removed, I'm hoping the glass should stay. We'll find out. Okay, so with the lock off here, I now have the capability of turning this, which will allow us to click the front panel on. What a hassle. Okay, keypad is on and is functional. Lock is back on. Now to get all the relocking plate back on and change the code. Okay, locking plate back on. And now we just don't forget to remove our screws to enable the relocking device back again. Okay, and finally here we are. Just enter this code in. Functional. Now we're going to change the combination for the customer, which I don't need to record, of course. Got this safe back into working order again after it was dragged out from the house and ditched in the back garden where water ingress got into the keypad and stopped the keypad working. So we've came and opened the safe, installed the new keypad here today, and they'll put this safe back into service.